like
rocking around Christmas.
And Merry Christmas, guys. It is Christmas morning. It's about 4:50 something right now, and it's Christmas. And in Jamaica, especially my family, we go to Christmas morning service, so I'll be heading there. This is my OOTD, just a red dress with my little hat. I love this hat. So yeah, this will be my OOTD for the morning service, and then we come over and get ready to go to home for Christmas. So
But the commentator said that the caravan, the persons who entered was so much that Herod was troubled. That the party, those who were there, was so much that Israel, not just Herod was troubled, but all Israel with him. In their troubled state, the Bible said, Herod called the chief priests, the religious people, and inquired of them at what time, or where should the Christ be born?
Got some chocolate tea, we got all pancakes, we got fried fruit.
hey guys, so
Hey, Merry Christmas.
yes, Merry Christmas, guys.
We wish you a
Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. I did my makeup.
And mine is not done properly. Hey guys, Mom say Merry Christmas to my YouTube people.
Merry Christmas.
And to all.
Hi. Enjoy your day.
So, I can't think me and look me and do the blouse properly. Now
I need to rest this on something. I don't want to rest it on my head.
I don't know where you're going to rest it on because I don't want it to. So this is my OOTD. Say hi, man. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Mom.
Say Merry Christmas to my viewers,
Merry
please.
Christmas and parties, my parties. Yeah,
Hey guys. Say hi. Wait. Hi. Wave. And this is Aki. My YouTube viewers.
Oh, I'm sorry, we gotta go.
Akim.
The Sunday you break up a party.
Akim.
hello.
Say hi to my YouTube viewers.
I want to talk to you.
Say hi. Just say hi.
I text him still. Thank you.
Say hi. Hello everyone. So it's Christmas Day and I am home in Trelawney, and as you can hear there is noise. Let's meet the family. Starting from this young lady here. This is Sherry. Say hi.
Who are you again?
YouTube.
Oh,
Yes,
okay,
say hi to the YouTube fam.
Hi.
We look alike. And you know this idiot, the one who always want food. This, now you remember. This one you remember, my birthday buddy. This is Nikki. Say hi. You wanna sleep? You ever wanna sleep? Watch me put you sleep. And everybody remember my mommy.
Of course they know me.
Yes, they know.
I'm everywhere.
And excuse me, I'm introducing the fam inside the kitchen. This auntie is Auntie Audrey. Say hi. And this is Auntie Joan.
Hi, Poochie How do you do?
Don't know where we get the craziness from. Yes, my crazy family, which I love so dearly.
She loved me more.
Oh, yes. Follow me.
You're the Twitter?
Yeah. Because her.
Yes. Okay. Follow me on Instagram at Nikki Crazy Apple. K is going to insert that. Follow me at Nikki Crazy Apple on a Snapchat Snapchat. Queen.NICKOLETTE. It's gonna be right here on Shani's face. Yeah. On Instagram, that's Queen.Nicolette. Yeah, on Instagram. Yeah.
Right, now you can go introduce the rest of the family, please.
I don't know why she give me work to do. Like, to introduce the rest of the family. So, this is Grandma.
Missy.
Say hi, Grandma. Hi. Say hello. Yeah, she's afraid of her knee. Like, who is afraid of your knee? I am. Secret.
Hey man, it's me. It's Shane Brown. I'm here. I'm chilling. Man, your time is up. It's my time to vlog. Watch it. So I'm here, man. And we turning up. I'm the best of the best, right? So
I know we be there, though. Don't ever. I want to listen to the
it's
vlog.
holy.
Hey.
Be here, man. Pure cousins and shit. Turning up. That's how we do.
Anyone peanuts?
Antique style. They over here.
Hey.
Say hi.
Hi.
I know. We bros and sis.
Introduce Daddy. And then
That's baggy.
when we were younger, right? Like,
Drum
we used
people
to watch
rumblings.
TV. Shh. We used to watch TV, and my parents used to tell us, say, we're not supposed to watch TV.
Like, we
Just
never
come
have no
in.
TV.
Right? Yeah, our parents used to tell us that we're not supposed to watch TV when we just come from school. See them here? Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah.
See? We're not supposed to watch TV when we come from school. But we did unruly and something, and we did smart. So, like, when we come home at evening time, we tell the story. So when we
What's the
come
mom?
home,
Mom, what you say? What you want?
when we come home at evening time, we usually turn on the TV. We usually turn on the TV and put one wet towel at the back of the TV. So stop! So it's not hot when Daddy come in. Because when Daddy usually come in, you remember when he usually come in, Daddy, and feel the back of the TV? Yes. But we were smart, right? We were smart. We turn on the TV, and when we hear them come, we turn it off. Yeah, but we have one towel at the back of the TV, so they never knew.
Really, Kiki?
Yes, I'm telling you now, Dad. Yes, we used to do that.
I mean, Mom.
We used to do
I
that,
mean,
Mom.
I'm a secret. You couldn't just dead with it.
No.
She ever come now and tell people, say,
That's
tell
okay.
me that. So when them usually tell me say we don't watch TV, we usually still watch it. But we put one cool towel in our freezer and then we put it on the back of the TV.
So when
keep
them
the TV
come-
cool.
Mm-hmm.
No, you have to tell me now. You have to look how long that. No, we want to bring up that.
Yes.
So even when them come and them feel the
So
back
no.
of the TV, you know. Even when they what he said a while ago.
We are
But
confessed.
even when they feel it, it still have a cool. But
Yes.
they were down. So.
Confession. It's okay, Ma. It's okay.
Are you ready to take that?
Mom, fight for listen.
Right there, no good out in the room. Dash me no mash, dog me no come.
Oi, you don't leave that.
Yeah. That's my real family.
She bad mind.
I ain't got time for this stuff, man.
So we take over girl stuff.
And over here we have Uncle Dave, of course. My fave.
Hi, this is me, chilling with my niece. What else you want me to say?
Kiss on the cheek. And then you have Johnny over here. She's shy. And you have UJ.
Right, man.
Him no bed. Oh God. Yeah. And then you have Kay. With my phone, always I take selfie.
Hello, it's a payback. Yes, when she never get her iPhone yet, she usually done my phone with pictures.
Anyway, she
How
have my
it's payback?
phone. I take pure selfie and something from she come. And let me tell you guys something. I have been waiting on Shakay from this morning to reach here, and she just come like after 7. I mean, I text off them phone from like 5 o'clock this morning.
Lie, oh. I don't know.
Alright, so not 5 o'clock,
but
yeah, I did wake up and go to church or something. Yes.
Anyways.
I'm signing off now. I'm tired. I want to sleep. So over back to Kay, okay? I know y'all gonna miss me because you know.
Thanks.
Anyways,
just when people are used to vlogging, they don't know that they're supposed to turn to the light so they'll have enough light. They not even know.
I know you're all going to miss me and stuff. So,
girl, when you want to look brown in a
tomorrow you're gonna
turn to the light, okay?
See me, you know.
Anyways, so yeah, when I showing my OOTD. Girl, love me on my phone now. Love me on my phone. OOTD, outfit of the day.
Give her a phone so we can.